What's up guys? So it's finally happening. Today I get a new PC, because the PC I use right now, I will show you. Wait. So this is the PC I have right now, a laptop. It's a laptop from 2008 and it goes freaking slow. I turn it off and it says Windows voorbereiden, schakel de computer niet uit. It says preparing Windows, don't close the computer, but I closed it 5 minutes ago and it's still trying to shut off, and yeah, it's just a horrible computer. What even this? This is my old computer. It's a very old one, but this runs faster, but it broke down. I could do a lot of it. I could make games on this. I was almost ready to finish one game, but then my computer crashed and it wouldn't start anymore. Too bad. It was a good computer and it was a good game I was working on. So tonight I'm getting a new computer, a good one, a proper one, so I can finally edit some good videos. Well, wait, you just look at that view. The sun is shining beautifully outside. For the interruption, but it's really beautiful outside. I think I will grab my bike and just go to the forest or something. Don't worry, I will take you guys with me. My day was mostly cleaning today. Really boring, so let's make the most out of it. The most random thing ever, there's a bird in my house right now. Psst. Come here. Open the back door. Psst, no, that way, other way. I hope he gets out. Come on. There, the door is wide open. The door is wide open, yeah! I feel like a freaking hero right now. I just saved the bird from dying here. Back home and just bought some dinner, but I ordered a burger with cheese, but there's no cheese to be found. Stupid shit. Oh, and of course a fries with pinda sauce and mayonnaise and onions. So I finally have it. It's in the middle of the night now, but I finally have it, my new PC. Check it out. Don't mind the mess, by the way. This is new PC. I can do the basic things on it. I can edit videos on it, everything. And probably the video quality will be also better now. Well, it's night, so the recording is not that great. Video quality is not that great, but it should be a higher quality. So this is the end of the vlog now, and see you guys in the next one. See you later.